Today, I'm going to show you 3 must-have stock market investing apps for beginners. Please watch until the end because I have something very special to announce. Let's get it! Hello everyone, Erik here with Investment. Welcome back to my channel. We hit 200 subscribers in less than 2 weeks. Thank you so much. This is my second video on YouTube, so if you're new here, please consider subscribing and gently destroy the like button. Check out the links to everything I'll be mentioning in this video, including our new setup, the new monitors, the sound panels, the ring light, literally everything I'm gonna put down below in the description box. Please make sure you let me know down in the comment section if you're actually enjoying my videos. That will let YouTube know that you're actually rocking with me and you like my content. And don't forget to smash the like button. Before we start, legal disclaimer, this is not a financial advice. This is for entertainment purposes only. Don't sue me, bro. Now, without wasting any more time, let me tell you why these 3 stock market investing apps are actually amazing and perfect for beginners. Let's go. Number 1, Robinhood. By far my favorite app on this list. Robinhood was launched back in 2013 with the purpose of disrupting high commission trades and as well to simplify how trading is done. Anyone now can buy, sell stocks, ETFs, cryptocurrencies, options, all for free on Robinhood. And because of that, all these big players, big brokers are actually going towards that $0 commission fee. Thanks, Robinhood. Now let's look at its pros. Number 1, it's free to invest with Robinhood. And before you ask, yes, they can still make money. The reason why, it doesn't cost as much for a broker to actually put your orders in. And that's the reason why I bet all these big players are actually going towards that $0 commission fee, because they're losing customers to Robinhood. Now, you may upgrade to Robinhood Gold, but that's totally up to you. It starts at $5 and it gives you more benefits. If you want a separate video on what is Robinhood Gold or even why I'm actually signed up for it, please let me know down in the comment section below. Number 2, it's easy. It's super easy to use Robinhood. Robinhood has a clean setup, a clean UI, no complicated graphs, easy to see your holds and even your orders, and even easier to place buys and sells. Number 3, fractional shares. I remember when I started in the stock market, if I wanted to buy, let's say, an Amazon share, right? I would have to pay whatever price, fully, whatever price it was back then. So let's say back in 2016, if I'm guessing, it was probably like around $800. I would have to come up with $800 to buy that 1 share of Amazon. But now with fractional shares, you can actually buy $1 off Amazon stock. Isn't that amazing? It's so easy now. It's so much affordable to start investing in the stock market. Number 4, I heard you water / drip. I'm kidding, guys. So number 4, drip. Drip stands for dividend reinvestment payout. This is when you hold a dividend paying stock, let's say AT&T. Anytime they pay you a dividend, Robinhood will automatically reinvest the dividend into your portfolio. With time, it will grow faster and faster due to compounding interest. Please let me know down in the comment section below if you want me to make a totally separate video on dividend paying stocks. These were some of the pros. Now let's talk about the cons. Con number 1, no retirement accounts. Robinhood, I'm looking at you. Please give us some retirement accounts. We need them IRAs. IRA stands for individual retirement account. This is one thing that I really wish that Robinhood had. I hold my Roth IRA with TD, but as soon as Robinhood, and I know for a fact in the near future they will do it, I'll bring it over. Number 2, customer service. I've personally never had any issues with Robinhood, but I know for a fact some people have had. One thing you have to know, you have to get in touch with them only through email. I'm not so sure about calling them, but I know a few months ago when the market crashed, they actually gave me 3 months of free Robinhood Gold, which is about $15, because I did send them an email to say, oh, your app was actually glitching and stuff. I didn't really lose any money, but they're so nice, they actually gave us 3 months of free Robinhood Gold. So just so you know, finding a live person to talk to On Robinhood, it's gonna be pretty hard. I'm fine with over the email customer service. Number 3, alerts. I love that Robinhood will tell me if my stock is up 5% or down 5% or up 10% or down 10%, but I want to know if that one stock went over the $30 mark or below. Me personally, I love creating my own signals, my own alerts, and because of that, I gotta give it number 3. Now please know, there's no such thing as a perfect broker. At one point, I'm pretty sure they've had issues. So in my opinion, Robinhood Pros will definitely overweight its cons. So for me, I'll give it number 1 for the best beginner app. Now, if you're interested in signing up for Robinhood, I'm gonna leave my link down below in the description box for a chance for you to actually get a free Apple stock, Facebook stock. And when you do get your free stock, please come back and let me know in the comment section below what you actually got. Number 2, Acorns. Man, I love Acorns. Acorns is like that app on your phone that you barely go on, but when you do, you're like, who? I guess I got some money. Now, Acorns is made for people that are interested in investing in the stock market. Now, that's through customizable stocks, ETFs, real estate REITs, bonds, pie. It's very important that you know this app, it's not made for day traders or swing traders. This is an investment app. You put your money in it and let it do its job. It will do it for you. Acorns will automatically invest your money through recurring investments and roundups. I basically see Acorns as like a bulb that you have to switch. No, I'm kidding. It's basically a savings account on steroids. Now let's get into the pros. Number 1, it's easy. Just like Robinhood, Acorns is perfect for beginners. You can literally set up your account in only 8 steps for you to completely set up your account. Number 2, recurring investments. This right here is the reason why I came to Acorns. Now, what I personally do, I automatically invest about $5 every single day. You heard that right. Every single day into Acorns. It's such a small amount that I would literally spend on stupid stuff. You know, I'd rather have Acorns take that $5 from me every single day and invest it in the market. And by doing that, I'm 100% sure that I'm dollar cost averaging into the market. Please let me know down in the comment section below if you do want to know more about dollar cost averaging in the stock market. Number 3, roundup features. The roundup feature is another clever way that Acorns found to save you some money and invest it for you. It's so simple. So basically all you have to do is link your debit card or credit card to Acorns. And let's say you go to Walmart and I want to buy a bag of chips for $3.50. They're gonna round it up to $4. That difference of 50 cents, they'll automatically invest it for you. That's amazing. This is why I really like Acorns. Now let's look at some of the cons. Number 1, fees. Acorns has a light account that will cost you about $1 a month. They also have a personal account that will cost you $3 a month or $36 per year. You will get more benefits. They'll give you more ways of saving money for retirement and also offer you a checking account. Now, for me, $36 is like going to Luan restaurant twice. So I gotta pass on that, right? I will 100% recommend you to go with the light account because it's only $1 a month. And if it helps you save money, if it helps you invest, I will definitely eat that cost. But please, do your own research and see if it makes sense for you. Number 2, no day trading. This is not an app made for traders. No swing traders, no day traders. With Acorns, you cannot pick an individual stock to invest in. They have different type of pies. They have conservative, they have aggressive. You're gonna have to pick which one is better for you. And let's say if you want to sell, it will not sell right away. Sometimes it waits until the next day to put in the sales. So please do not try day trading with Acorns, not even swing trading.
It is what it is. It is what it is.
It is what it is. Now, despite the cons, Acorns is still one of my favorite apps, especially for beginners. Now, if you want to sign up for Acorns, I'm going to leave my link down below in the description that will give you free $5. Number 3, TD Ameritrade, Thinkorswim. Back in early 2017 when I used to have trading talks with Ricky, which is now a famous YouTuber, he told me to go ahead and start trading with TOS, which is Thinkorswim. And since then, I never looked back. Now, Thinkorswim is where you go to start trading. Personally, I use Thinkorswim to break down my charts. I just love the way it looks. I just love all the information it gives me. When I'm home, I use Thinkorswim 10 out of 10 times before entering into a position. TD Ameritrade has a $0 commission fee for everything besides OTCs, or over-the-counter or penny stocks. That will charge you, if I'm not mistaken, a $6.99 commission fee if you trade over-the-counter. TD Ameritrade, it also hold my Roth IRA because it's totally free to start it. Now let's see the pros. Number 1, customer service. TD Ameritrade is a very well-known broker. They have top-notch customer service. You call them, they will help you over the phone. They're quick and they're so nice. They'll be able to put in trades for you. They'll be able to sell your stocks. There's so many things they can do, they can help you over the phone with, which is just mind-blowing. Anytime somebody asks me, what do you think about TD Ameritrade customer service? I say,
Nice.
Number 2, paper trading. Paper trading is so beneficial, especially for beginners, because they'll let you trade with fake money in real time. Kind of like having a demo account for you to try out before you actually go ahead and start playing. And for every beginner, that's something I would definitely recommend you do, because that will help you improve your skills, learn the market, and be accustomed with the app. Number 3, multiple charts in one screen. I love this feature, especially when I'm taking multiple positions at the same time. As a beginner, you may or may not know that sometimes when switching between charts and then you're holding multiple positions, that may cost you some money. So having multiple screens at the same time, it's something that I really appreciate that I can do with Thinkorswim. Number 4, the scanner. TOS has a pretty good scanner for you to search for stocks. During pre-market or even like right after the market opens, you can actually search for the right play that fits your criteria. Those were some of the pros. Now let's talk about the con. I only have one con here for TOS, and that'll be it's not as easy as Robinhood. I consider TOS to be a beginner plus app that you can learn. I learned it being a beginner, and I am 110% sure that if I did it, you can also do it. And like I said, that was the con. That's literally all I have for Thinkorswim, because I don't actively trade or invest with the Thinkorswim platform, because I use it more to break down my charts. Alright guys, these were my 3 must-have stock market investing apps for beginners, in my opinion. Summing up, Robinhood is a free app that I use to take day trades and swing trades for short-term capital gains. Acorns, it's basically my savings account on steroids, and I see it as a short to mid-term investment account. And last but not least, we have TD Ameritrade with Thinkorswim. I use it to break down my charts and as well for my retirement accounts. I hold a Roth IRA with TD Ameritrade, and I love it. Please let me know down in the comment section below if you like any of these 3 picks, and if you didn't like it as well, just please let me know and tell me what are your 3 picks or even your favorite app to trade with. Alright, now I told you in the beginning that I had something special for you, right? I'm going to be announcing my first of many giveaways. I'm going to be giving away this Google NAS Mini. It's the 2nd generation as soon as we hit 1,000 subscribers. And just so you know, I will also ship it anywhere in the world. All you have to do is just be subscribed to the channel. Everyone, thank you for sticking around till the end. Please like, share, subscribe, and turn on post notification if you like content like this one. Now guys, thank you so much, and I'm out.